In reading class, we've been working on short and long vowels and making sure we're pronouncing them correctly. Okay, so today you read two books. You read Sheep in a Jeep and you read Big Dog, Little Dog. Okay, so you and your partner read the books. Did you like the books? What was your favorite? Raise your hand if Sheep in a Jeep was your favorite. Okay, what about Big Dog, Little Dog? I think I like them both the same. I love both of the books. Okay, so you and your partner read the book Sheep in a Jeep. Okay, I want you to go back through the book and I want you and your partner to write down 5 words that have the long E vowel sound. And then I want you to take your book, Big Dog, Little Dog, and I want you to write down 5 words that have the short E sound. So I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to work with your partner to write down a total of 10 words, and then we will go over your answers. You may begin. Okay, as I was walking around, I noticed that you did a great job working with your partner. You were really working together to look through the book to find words that have the long and short E sound. Okay, I want to take some of the words that you wrote down for sheep in a Jeep. Okay, who would like to share? Steep. You were right. Steep has the long E sound. Steep. Very good. What's another word you wrote down? Okay, Jeep. Very good. It has the long E sound. Who else would like to share? Okay, leap. Leap is to jump. So the sheep are leaping. Leap has the long E sound. You were right. And let's take one more. Okay? Yes, deep. The Jeep is deep in the mud. Deep. Deep starts with the long E sound. Very good. Okay, you did a great job with that. Okay, now let's take Big Dog, Little Dog, and I want to hear the words that you wrote down for short E. Yes, very good. Fred. Fred has the short E sound. What is another one? Ted. You're right. Ted has the short E sound. Okay, so today we worked on short and long E. Yesterday, we worked on short and long I. Now, I've been noticing when I've been walking around the room and listening to you speak that sometimes we confuse long E that says E with short I that says I. Okay, so today we are going to practice working on minimal pairs so that we can practice both of the sounds and make sure we are pronouncing them correctly. Okay, minimal pairs are 2 words that sound a lot alike, but they have a different sound. They have one sound that's different. Okay, so now we're going to practice reading some words. Okay, I want you to read the words with your partner. Okay, we have bin and bean. Okay, which one has the short I sound? Tell your partner. Bin, you are right. Okay, raise your hand if you pronounce both words correctly. Great job. Okay, let's go to the second one. We have chip and cheap. Okay, now I want you to tell your partner which one has the long E sound. You were right. It is cheap. Okay, now read these 2 words with your partner. His and he's. Raise your hand if you pronounce both words correctly. Great job. Okay, which one has the short I sound? You are right. It is his. Okay, read these 2 words to your partner. It and eat. Okay, which one has the long E sound? You are right. It is eat. And the last 2 words, read them to your partner. Sit and seat. Okay, which one has the long E sound? Yes, you were right. It is seat. Okay, you did a great job on these minimal pairs. Okay, you did a great job on the PowerPoint. Now I want you to take out a sheet of paper And I'm going to call out some words, and I want you to write down the words and spell them the way you think that they are spelled. And afterwards, you and your partner are going to compare the spelling and see if you spelled the words correctly. And remember, today we're working on long E and short I. Okay, so is everyone ready? Okay, we'll call out the words. Okay, number 1, write down beat. Beat. Number 2, bit. Number 3, bead. Number 4, bid. Number 5, seat. And number 6, sit. Okay, now that you have spelled the words, I want you to share your answers with your partner. And you and your partner are going to compare your spelling to see if you agree. Okay, now you've compared your spelling. Okay, raise your hand if you spelled all of the words the same as your partner. Good job. Okay, raise your hand if you just missed 1 or 2. I wrote the correct answers on the board behind me. Okay, so you're getting there with minimal pairs. Okay, great job. Okay, now I want you and your partner to get out a Chromebook, and I have a website that I'm going to write on the board. And now you and your partner are going to play a game with minimal pairs on the computer. Okay, now that you're at the website, this is a minimal pair practice and quiz. So you're going to listen, then choose.
It.
Okay, now you heard them say the word it. Now you have to choose. Is it the first word or the second word? What do you think? Tell your partner. You were right, it's the second word. Good job! So it shows you that you have 1 correct. Let's do 1 more. Now you're going to click the arrow, and you have 2 words. So click listen, then choose.
His.
Okay, and then you have to choose the correct word. So what do you think it should be? His. Very good. Yay, so you have 2 correct. Okay, now I want you and your partner to work together to answer 15 minimal pairs. So I want you to answer 15 words. Okay, you may begin. Okay, you did a great job on the minimal pairs game. Raise your hand if you and your partner answered at least 14 out of 15 words correctly. Great job, that's almost everyone. Okay, for our final assignment today, I know that we've been talking about St. Patrick's Day because St. Patrick's Day is coming up. We've been reading books in class. What I want you to do is I want you to write a paragraph with 5 to 7 sentences about what you would do if you found a pot of gold. Now what I'm looking for is I want to see that you have at least 2 words with long E and 2 words with short I. So after you finish writing your paragraph, you're going to share with your partner, and you are going to see if you pronounce the words correctly. Okay, so we're going to finish the writing assignment today, and then tomorrow you will share. Keep up the great work. Go.